and welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Pooja Sawant. Today I am going to show you how to show a basic origami art. Origami is a art of folding papers into beautiful figures and shape. And this video I made it very simple and easy for beginners and for students. Let's begin. Today we will learn how to make a boat. Okay, a simple way. Here I am using a yellow color paper. Fold the paper in a triangle. Fold the paper in a triangle. Okay. Now, this corner of the paper, fold it like that. Okay. This is our boat. And this way you can complete our boat. Okay, you can draw here a picture. For example, you can draw here one boy, a small boy on that boat. Okay. You can draw like that, and you can draw anything which you like on your boat. Okay. Now the next one is we will learn how to make a fish of using origami paper. This is our boat. We will keep this boat aside. Now we will learn how to make a fish. For fish, here blue color paper. Okay. Fold the paper in a triangle. Fold the paper in a triangle. Now interline. Now this side of the paper and this side of the paper will come at the center line of the paper, on the center line of the paper. Okay, observe it carefully, the way of doing, how to do it. Now this corner will come to this side of the paper. Okay, clear? Now the next step is what? Just fold this paper. Okay. Now the next one is, this is the tail, the fish. Fold it like that. This is our fish. This is our shark fish. With the help of a sketch pen, you can draw here. Now this part is remaining. Fold this part at the back side of the fish. See. Okay, this is a shark fish. Draw one eyes and draw like that, mouth of the fish. Okay, stick this fish on your drawing book. Now the next one we will learn how to make another fish. Okay, for that fish I am using a brown color paper. Take a brown color paper, fold like this. First folding, open your paper. Second folding, again open your paper. Third folding, open your paper. Fourth folding, again open. You will get a plus sign, plus multiplication sign. This is what? This is a plus sign. This is multiplication sign. Clear? Now fold your paper like this. Done, everyone? Okay, now what we will do it, hold this center of the paper and this part of the paper will go inside. Okay, in the same way, this part of the paper, this part of the paper, and you see this part of the paper also go inside. Okay, this part has gone inside, this part also go inside of the paper. Okay, am I clear, everyone? Now this is a fish. Now what we will do it, fold it like that. The next part is fold it like that and in this way. Okay, This is a fish with the, you can use a marker, sketch pen to draw. This is eye and this is smile. Okay, for that I'm using a red color paper, red color smile. Okay, complete this 3 origami art at home. Thank you.